Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on two-step verification in Microsoft account. First thing is, after signing into your Microsoft account using your credentials, Vive app or website, next thing you do is click on security on the left hand side, and then right hand side click on manage how I sign in. And then you can scroll all the way down, you see turn, it's off right now, click on turn on, and then you set up a two-step verification which adds an extra layer of protection to your account. After you've turned it on, you ask to use after you've turned it on, you'll be asked to enter additional security code when you sign in, but the security code will be provided by Microsoft's account. So make sure you have up-to-date security info where you can receive security code, and do set up an authenticator app if you have a smartphone. Now, what an authenticator app? An authenticator app helps you get security codes, even if your phone isn't connected to cellular network. Number 3, you can create app passwords for apps and devices, or your apps and devices that doesn't support two-step verification code. So click on next. Now you have to set up your Microsoft Authenticator app. So you get the Microsoft Authenticator app to sign in with your phone, with your password. So you have to get it. After getting it, click on get it now, and continue from there. You can get the app on your phone, and download the Microsoft Authenticator on your phone. Once you are through with that, you come back here and you'll be asked to scan the code. Scanning the code, follow the on-screen prompt until you're able to finish turning on your two-step verification in Microsoft account. Hope you found it very helpful. If you did, like, subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.